Welcome to Handful Tech. Today we are going to install or replace storage hard disk drive on a DVR or digital video recorder. Take note that we only need this before we can use the DVR or if the internal storage drive become faulty. Before we begin our installation, make sure you have the proper tools necessary. A basic Phillips screwdriver or powered screwdriver can also be used to speed up the process. A good sturdy working table, adequate source of light, and a sufficient confidence and patience is a must. DVR. Model number RXH1616DAGLX. Included in the box. 1 unit, DVR. 1 piece, USB mouse. 1 piece, power supply. 1 piece, CD software. 1 piece, user manual. 1 piece, 2-in-1 HDD power cable. 2 pieces, HDD data cable. 8 pieces, HDD mounting screw. This is the power supply adapter, which is 12 volts. This is the USB mouse. This are the data cables. And this is the 2-in-1 power supply cable for HDD. The 4-pin power cable is a female header which is exactly matched with the male power supply header. Plug it in either the spare male headers. Taking note with the plug orientation. Second is the data cable, plug it into mainboard data header pin. Components not included in the box that can be purchased separately. 1 unit 2 or 4 terabyte HDD or hard disk drive. Dealing with hard disk drive takes extra precaution. Please be careful not to drop or induce shock to the drive because it is very sensitive to it. Plug in the other end of the data cable and power supply cable to this end of the drive. Take note with the plug orientation. Place the drive carefully into the DVR and make sure that the screw holes are aligned. Flip the unit while holding the drive to reveal the bottom part. Place the hard disk drive securely by 4 screws at the bottom of the DVR. Organize the wires by fitting it all together. You can use small size plastic cable ties like these. And then cut the excess ties. Double check the wires, plugs and pins if it is secured or not. Also make sure that no wires are pressed hard against the top cover, to prevent future problems. Install the top cover. Replace all 4 screws securely tight. Now plug in the power supply adapter to the DVR. Take note that there is a power switch located at the back plate that we can use to turn on or off the DVR unit. Plug in the USB mouse. and the VGA cord to the VGA port of the DVR for the monitor. Now we have to test the unit if it turns on and ready to accept video signals coming from the CCTV cameras. Plug in the power adapter AC cord to appropriate AC source. This type can handle of around 90 to 260 volts AC. Turn on the main power switch and wait for a minute. A loud single beep sound will be heard, if the DVR is in ready state. Otherwise consult a professional technician to recheck the work you have done. That's it. Thank you for watching and hope that it may help to those willing to do it yourself. Thanks to Rover Systems and Seagate.